is 11:23. One more day into Thanksgiving, the Thanksgiving holidays. Then we see. Chill, relax, breathe. Great week to start the week. We hit Tesla again. Where does it go? Don't know. We hit a bunch of stuff yesterday. Have to trade them. Things that are coming down. Snow down 50 points. TTD down 12 points. Let these go lower. Then they become a play, but don't use this week's. Add next week's or 2 weeks out. Okay? 2 weeks out. Let's look at Qualcomm. Qualcomm is going to explode up. It's going to 2,000 or 200. Okay? But if it gets down to 171, 172, we're going to be right back into those same options we sold yesterday. So just wait, chill, relax. And don't buy things unless they pop a little. If Qualcomm's down 6 and it's at the low of the day, you don't go buy it down 6. You wait till it goes up at least 2. Okay? Then we see. Okay. SPX about flat, I believe, right? Let me look. It is down 3. Okay? That puts it at 46.79. You got 46.41, 46.51, then 46.31. And then you got 47.09 on the upside. Okay? NVIDIA, way lower. Let it go down. Let this go down. We're probably going to sell our NVIDIAs that we bought for next week and going to add a week. And then I told you what you can do. Typically, you can go up 5 points or 10 points, and you add a week, and the premium's about the same. So we're probably going to add a week on this and see. Let it go lower. If this hits 300, we'll love the 320s, 330s. Wow. Then we see. Okay? ASML, this thing is down 60 points. No idea what's going on. The only thing I can think of, they have a huge business with China, and Biden and them went over to ASML, and they said, don't sell to China at all. So is there an agreement there? I don't know. But it should not be going down, but let it go lower, then we'll get in. Wait 2 or 3 weeks. If you go find out the earnings date, can probably do it for earnings, then we see. Lam Research, Micron got an upgrade. That means Lam Research can fly today. And that also means that all the chips may reverse and go up hard today. Then we see. Okay? Interesting. If the chips reverse and Qualcomm gets to 182 right off the bat, the 185s at 40 cents become a steal. I don't know if you get them, but keep an eye on those. Okay? Facebook needs 351. 351 dropped a lot. Then we see. Rivian 222. Roblox 126. Underneath 109, bad. Amazon 2600, under 2500, bad. Wow. Okay. Best Buy guided lower. That's not good for Amazon. Just know that. Okay. Lucid 56 up, 46 down. GME 256 up, 222 down. Snowman working lower. 241, 232, 272 better. Apple 165. Shopalicious 1630. TTD 106, 99 down. UPSD 211 up, 198 down. Affirm, watch this one. This one looks like it wants to hit 91. Okay? 116, 109. Zoom. 191, 162. 162, it's coming. Give it a year or two. It's going to get to 162, probably 150. BNTX, 326. Moderna, 288. Google. If Google pops lower, now remember, the reason Google's going lower, I know this, why Google's going lower. It's going lower because all the states said before the end of the year, they will be adding on to antitrust stuff. So what you got, 5 weeks till the end of the year? So at some point, if you're buying Google calls, you're going to wake up and they add it to antitrust and it's going to be down 100. Okay? So just know that. That's why you can trade it intraday, but I surely wouldn't hold it. Okay? Tesla, 1203. Tesla, 1203. Can it get there? Maybe. Maybe they sell all this stuff and they rip into Tesla. Interesting. And it just flies. Then we see. If banks rip positive, isn't that a good sign for the market? That means there's a rotation. It means that there's a rotation, right? And the rotation is strong into banks. Okay? How far do they go? Don't know. Okay? Then we see. Nobody seems to know if you can trade these things. What triggered 50-point drop? No idea. Just people decide to get out. Things hit a high and then they stopped. And then they started selling tech. So when they started selling tech, people said, okay, let me get out. That's okay. That's why you trade smaller. That's what I gave you the hedge. In there that the 47.15s were $2. $2. You had 5 minutes to get them. Then they went to 6. Then they went to 16. Then they went to $1. Then they went to 50 cents. Then they went to 30. So that's the thing. But here's the thing. I don't always do a hedge because I don't need a hedge. If I sell stuff, I don't need a hedge. If I don't sell stuff, then you need a hedge, right? I mean, very straightforward. There's a lot of time. If you, let's say you own Tesla and you bought Tesla at, I don't know, $200 post-split, and it's 1,000. Do you need a hedge? That's up to you, right? Maybe it drops 50 or 80 or 100, and that's okay with you because you bought it at 200. Okay? Maybe you write calls on it, or maybe you buy puts. That's up to you. That's how you trade. I trade very simple. I look at my cash in my account. I see what my cash is on Friday. Then I see my positions, and I see what my cash is on Monday. So let's say I'm in for 100 grand. And if I sell Tesla up 200 grand, worst case, I can't lose any money. So then I don't need a hedge. But if I'm down, then I probably go buy a hedge. So that's how I trade. Very straightforward. Very straightforward. Apple's ticking up. Apple's ticking up here. Watch this. This week is typically positive. If these guys force the shorts and the techs start to rebound, you're going to have a massive run. You're going to have a massive run today. Then we see. So just wait and chill till we exactly see what's going on. Everybody have a great trade day. See you.